What's up, guys? It's your boy Haroon. We're here at Bundukan. You already know I frequented Bundukan plenty of times. Try something different. Not only does this building in Fremont, California house Bundukan, but it also offers a menu put together by Scoops and Scoops. So Scoops and Scoops offers a variety of different items, such as obviously ice cream, faluda, and so on and so forth. But they also have burgers on the menu. We're gonna try a new item, their spicy chicken burger, man. If you haven't been to Bundukan, definitely give it a try, man. They specialize in Karachi style barbecue, so we're gonna try something a little bit different than what we typically get here. So I finally got my chicken sandwich. Check this monstrosity out though, bro. This is nuts. Got the pepper on the top, man. Look at this is a huge sandwich, bro. Got the masala fries, man. Had to get the masala fries, bro. They see it up. You know what I mean? I don't even know how this thing is gonna fit in my mouth, bro. But we're gonna try it. Ow. That spice is different too, bro. It's not like your typical spicy chicken that you would get. Got a hint of Desi to it. You got the American cheese, tomatoes, mayo, and of course, this beautifully fried chicken. This is fire, bro. If you haven't tried the Scoops and Scoops menu, definitely worth giving it a try, man.